New 2018 stylish interior and exterior features, shows like a model. Level lakefront living with sunset views, minutes to major routes and shops. Designer details in gourmet kitchen, flooring, bath. Open floor plan. Porcelain wood washed flooring. Living room is open to gourmet kitchen center island, granite counters, stainless appliances and wine fridge, designer hood and custom backsplash. Dining and living room west gas fireplace. 25K floating with metal staircase. Dramatic master west private deck, spa bath, heated floors. CertainTeed custom siding, huge exterior deck, wall Trex, vinyl custom railings and lighting. 50 feet Trex. West electric, shed, plush lawn, sprinkler systems, custom planters, fencing and gutters west helmet guard. Whole house generator, entire house is LED. Surround sound and cameras. High efficient heat cool.